in number 9, we have a common log of 4 plus 3 common log of x plus the common log of y. We're going to use the power property to make that coefficient into an exponent, and then the product property will combine all of these additions into a single logarithm with one argument. So we'll have a common log of 4 times x cubed times y. And you can leave your answer just like this, or you can put parentheses grouping the argument together. Either way is fine. In example 10, we're going to use the power property on this coefficient of 3 and make that the exponent on the argument. And that is added together, so that's the product property. And then these subtraction mean that there'll be 2 values in the denominator of the argument of the condensed log. So we'll have a common log with a numerator of x cubed times 2. Then in the denominator we'll have a y times a 4, and we can reduce that. 2 over 4 leaves a 2 in the denominator, so this will be a common log of x cubed divided by 2y, and that would be condensed and simplified. Okay, in number 11, we've got a log base 2 of 9, so the 9 is going to go in the numerator. Then minus log base 2 of y, since that's subtraction, the y goes in the denominator. Then we have a 1/2 log base 2 of x. We're going to use the power property to make that 1/2 an exponent, and a 1/2 power is the same as a square root. Since that's a positive, we're going to put that square root of x in the numerator. And then we've got a minus log base 2 of 3, which puts the 3 in the denominator. Then we can simplify. 9 divided by 3 leaves a 3 in the numerator. So we'll have a log base 2 of 3 square root of x divided by y will be our condensed and simplified form. Okay, then in number 12, we've got a 2 times the natural log of x plus natural log of 3 in parentheses, and then outside the parentheses is a minus 3 natural log of y. So I can use the power property on that coefficient of 3 to make it the exponent on the y. And similarly, I can use the power property on this coefficient of 2. That's going to belong, though, to both the x and the 3 as exponents. So we'll condense this into a natural log with an x squared in the numerator. Then 3 squared is 9, also in the numerator. And then our y cubed is in the denominator, and that would be the condensed and simplified form.